How to create new Instagram account. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily create a brand new Instagram account in just few simple steps. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to create another Instagram account, open Instagram app and click on your profile picture on the bottom right corner and click on this drop down arrow and click on add Instagram account and click on create new account, and here you have to select your username and click on next, and here you click on create password instead, and here type your password. After that click on next, and here you have to select your verify number or verify email. I will select on verify email, and here type your email and click on next and click on complete setup. So guys, in this way you can create a brand new Instagram account in just few simple steps. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.